Hi, in this video we are going to see about Gopher Delivery All. In this we have three apps: User app, Store app and Driver app. First of all, we are just logging into the User app. Just enter the country code, mobile number and the password. Just log in with those details. Now you can see the delivery details. Just enter your address. So now you can see the address in the drop down. Please select that. Now this is our home screen for the Gopher Delivery All. Just go to the orders. You can see the upcoming orders and the past orders. Yeah, next the profile page. In this you can manage favorites, payment and wallet and other things. Just go to the home page again. So now we are gonna see the store application. Just enter the email and password. Just log in that. Now you can see your store details and order which you have completed, and other details like order history, menu, language and other things. Also you can accept the order, or else you can pause the order for a certain period of time as you wish. If you just click on the order ID, you can see the complete details of the particular order, who's the user, who's the driver and their contact details, and delivery type and item details and all. And to the right corner you can see the prescription images. Yeah, now we are going to see about the driver app. You can just enter the country code and your mobile number. Just fill the driver password and just sign in. You can see the driver homepage. Driver can make himself online and offline. In the earning page, you can see the trip payments and the pay statements of your last trips. And in the account details, you can check the document payout details and support and currency details which you have. Just go to the user. Now we are gonna place some order. Just I'm going for the JG Pharmacy, and I'm just adding a family medicine. You can see a senior worker. Just click on that. I'm adding the senior worker to the basket. And also I'm just sending a note to the pharmacy. Yeah, I'm adding another toilet chair. Yeah, currently you can see that 220 of total amount in the basket. Just click the view basket. Now you can see the order details. We have two types of order: as soon as possible and schedule order. You can schedule order for a particular date and a particular time. Here you can add a delivery note to the store which you gonna order, and you can change the payment method. We have 4 payment methods here: PayPal, Stripe, cash on delivery and wallet option. Also we have two types of deliveries, which is delivery and a takeaway option. You can either choose one. If you have any promo code, you can apply it here in the promotions. Just enter the promo code and click on the apply button. It will automatically enters the promo codes. You can add a tip to the driver who is gonna assign to you. In the receipt upload option, you can add a prescription or a receipt to the store. You have completed all the necessary details. Just click the place order button so that the restaurant will receive an order in the store application. Here you can see this is how the restaurant will receive an order. You can just see a black image. A new order has been created. Once you accept it, you can see the order details, the name of the user and their phone number. You can delay the order or cancel the order. If the user uploaded any prescription document, you can see it here. Now we are delaying the order, select the delay time 20 minutes or as you wish, and for the reason for the delay. And when the order is ready, just click on the order is ready button, so it will automatically send a request to the driver. And you can see in the driver application, driver is receiving a notification for a particular order in the JG pharmacy. Once the driver accepts the order, it will shows the direction to the pharmacy or the store. Now I am just confirming the order, 2 items. Just click on the next step. Order has been picked up. Just click the next button. So just swipe to start the trip. Now you can see the location of the user. Once the driver reaches the destination, you can just collect the cash and swipe to end the trip. In the driver, you can see for the who did you deliver the product. That's what's the recipient. Jody David, the username. Just click on the username. Also, you can leave a comment while delivering. You can rate the delivery. Just swipe to complete the trip so that the driver will receive another order, and swipe to end the trip. Now the driver page has come to the home screen. Also you can see that store has received a notification that the particular order is completed. Once you click that order, it will shows pickup address and the driver drop address and the items that the user has been ordered. In the user page, you can see the status of the order is changed, order is delivered. You can rate the order with thumbs up and thumbs down button. Also you can add a comment to the particular order or the item which you have received. In the user page, you can give ratings to the each items. And rating for the particular restaurant or the store which you ordered. You can leave a comment for the store. Just submit all those details. Now you can see the rating has been given to the restaurant as well as the driver. Just go to the home screen. As a store, you can also give reviews. Just a thumbs up and thumbs down button. Now the order has been completed. So this is how the GoFood delivery works. Thanks for watching.